So now let's see how we can work with the main image right over here in our Wix page in Wix ADI. So once I actually go over here onto the top page, you can see right over here that I have edit as an option right over here. And then you can see that there's edit and replace in the media. So in my case, this is the picture right over here. So as I turn this on, you can see that there's the picture. So I can edit and replace the picture from right over here. And on the top, you can see that there are 4 options. So let's first focus on the image right over here. So first of all, what I can do is I can replace this out, as you can see right over here. So once I replace it out, I can search for other images that are related to my topic. For example, I'm just going to choose this one right over here, or maybe this one, that is keyboard and mouse, since this is a technological website right over here. You can also go for like media from Wix, which you can search and use for free legally right over here. So I'm just going to go for the recommended one and use this one. You can also like go over here and preview this out over here by seeing this in full screen and so forth, as you can see. So I'm just going to apply this media out right over here. So once that is applied, you can see that it has replaced. And you can go around with the image background, as you can see as here as well. So you can have a full image right over here, just like this. So you can have something like a full image just like this. You can display it like this, or you can display it as a background, or you can crop it out as well, as you can see right over here. So this way, what happens is that you have a crop look right over here, as you can see, just like that. I'm just going to go back onto the background. So here are some options that you want to display your layout as. So that's how you can choose it. Another thing you have is image opacity. So I can bring this out right here. And what happens is that the image turns a bit transparent and the background color actually comes up. So if I were to choose red, you can see that the image red background actually shows up just like that. So you can give like a bluish tint or a reddish tint according to what you want right over here. So similarly, you can choose the scroll effect as well. So this is the image type right over here. We're not going to look at video in this lesson, but over here, let's look at gallery now, which is another type of image displaying option. So if I were to go over here into gallery, what happens is that now I can bring in multiple pictures, and you can see that this is much more like a gallery option right over here. So now I can go on to organize media right over here, and you can see that these are the images which will actually be displayed right over here. So if I want to delete it out, I'm simply going to delete this out right here. But if you want to add in images, you can simply click on add more and choose from one of the medias which are actually here. You can also import your own media, but that is something we're going to look at in the next lesson. So let's go over here and choose this picture right over here and apply that out right over here. And then you can see that the image has been imported. So once I press done, what happens is that it is there according to the gallery right over here. So if I were to press preview right over here, what happens is this. So you can see right over here, and as you click around, you can see that other pictures load up right over here, just like that. So you got this picture, and so forth. So it is more like a gallery right over there. So let me just go back over here into edit site section itself. And there you go. So that's how you can work around with the gallery as well. So here's the different media layouts as well. So you can also go for strip type of a layout right over here. So it's more like this, as you can see, or you can go for background. Usually I prefer background because like it looks more dynamic to me. If you are not fond of images, you can also add in patterns, as you can see right over here. And then you can work around with the media layout right over here. There's the scroll effects over here as well, and you can replace it, you can change the color and so forth. So let's just go over here and choose this. So let's say, for example, if you had to choose that, the entire look actually changes out. So once you press back, what happens is that you can change everything out over here. So you can go for section design right over here. You can edit and replace the media. So you can go over here and change out, replace with the other background like patterns which are there available for you to use right over here. So you can go for this type of a background. So simply just like an image, but more like a repetitive image right over here. So if you are not fond of pictures or you don't know what pictures to keep, then you can also keep patterns right over here, just like that. And that is how you can work with the media edit settings for images inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.